Oh guys, eto na yung pasta sauce. Yung tans kanina, bale, dalawa yung nagamit namin, hindi lang isa. Pero as is yung mga ingredient. And then, you just simmer with the pasta sauce. Yung pinaglagaan ng spaghetti, noodles kanina, yun yung water base for the pasta sauce. And then you just simmer for another 20 minutes. Low fire para mag-thicken. Open flame, do not cover, para lahat ng lasa dahan-dahan uminit. Tsaka lalapot siya ng kusa. No need to put starch or flour as others do para mag-hold. Just let it simmer. Medyo slow and then stir occasionally as you go along. And then you can taste the flavor. Medyo Italian yung flavor nito originally. But if there are children at home, syempre ang mga Pilipino gusto medyo matamis. So, we just modify by placing 3 or 4 tablespoons of muscovado sugar or brown sugar. That will be enough. Tama lang yung taste, tama lang yung asin, enough. Kasi pag sobrang tamis, hindi na masyado masarap yun. Pag sobrang namang asin, hindi rin gusto ng bata. So, balance lang. It's orangey because of the 2 cheeses. Yung cheese sauce from the Tartufo and the cheese from the queso de bola, yung dry cheese. So, it's boiling. Now, yung last step is to put real truffle oil at the end before serving. We'll show you the bottle later. Drops lang yun. Kasi pag talagang real truffle oil, drops lang, okay na. It's just to flavor. And pag original na truffle, hindi adulterated. Like we're using this one. Ito siya. So you can choose from the flavor. Tatlo yung flavor nito eh. So any of this is very, very good. That's what we use.